So today we decided that the patients who are undergoing under their respective home isolation, we will again provide the provision essential kits. We will again extend assistance from the government, which is known as provision essential kits. And this model, we have done it last year.
East Khasi Hills is into the third week of the total lockdown. The District Commissioner's office has ordered the opening of shops on every Monday and Friday to enable the residents of East Khasi Hills to shop for the essential commodities. We can see that people have come out onto the streets once again to get themselves a stock of the essential food items for the entire week. As of today, the 24th of May 2021, the active cases of today are 811 positive cases with 679 recoveries and 24 deaths. Until date, the total number of active cases is 7,788. We hope that this lockdown would also enable each one of us to introspect and think deep on the current situation and how we can contribute to our family, to our society, and to the state as far as self-care is concerned, so we can fight together this pandemic. With camera person Refulgent, this is Bethleen Dakar for Media Plus Shillong.